Hey everyone, I'm Lisa, and today I'm sharing with you how I did balayage highlights on my own hair at home very easily and inexpensively using the Madison Reed Lightworks at home balayage kit. It includes the highlights and the toning all in one kit, and it also includes a bond building treatment to protect the integrity of your hair. I do want to thank Madison Reed for sponsoring today's video and sending this kit. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will have a discount code linked below. I looked up the average cost of how much it would be to go get balayage highlights in a salon, and it can be anywhere from $150 to $200, which is so crazy. I personally don't have that kind of money, so I would much rather do it at home with this kit for $40, which is so inexpensive, and you can get just as amazing results. I was really impressed with how the kit came with everything you need, how it was all packaged. They label everything so it's very easy to know what you're using. The products are cream-based, so you're not having to deal with mixing powders or anything. It's very easy to do. Something really cool about this kit is that it is ammonia-free. You guys know I'm pregnant, so it being ammonia-free, it is safe for me to use at home. It literally had no odor when I was using it, which I was so impressed. Even if you're not pregnant, that's just really nice not having to deal with that chemical smell. They do have different colored kits. I got the cool vanilla version just because I figured the lighter I could go, the better, since my hair is darker. So this is what my hair looks like before. As you can see, I have shorter hair and it is kind of like a dark brown color. This is my natural hair color. I haven't dyed it in a very long time, so this is all natural hair. To start, I am just combing out my hair to make sure that I have no tangles, and then I am sectioning my hair. The kit does come with instructions on how to do all of this, and they even have online videos if you need help, but you can also use my video if you want. But I'm just sectioning my hair and parting it down the middle. And then I'm taking a section on each side right above the center of my ears, and I am just pinning those up. And then with the rest of the back of my hair, I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail because we are not highlighting this section, so we just want to keep it out of the way. And now I look like a crazy alien or something. But taking down one of the sections, I'm gonna part off a small section of hair right above my ear, and this is gonna be our first highlight section. So I'm putting on the gloves that come included in the kit. Then I'm gonna squeeze the Lightworks lightening cream into the lightening activator bottle to mix the product, and you just shake it up and you're good to go. And then I'm using my phone just to set a 20-minute timer because you want to try to complete your application within 20 minutes. And then the kit comes with this really cool kind of V-shaped brush, and you just put the product on the brush and you apply it to your hair. So then you just hold your section of hair out, and using the V-shaped brush, you're going to apply the product 2 inches away from the roots and just bring it down. And as you come down, you kind of do a V shape. So then you want the last part of your hair to be fully saturated with the product. Since my hair is a little bit shorter, I did it more like 1 inch from the roots. But if you have a longer hair, I would definitely recommend sticking with what the directions say and doing it about 2 inches from your roots. From here, we're basically going to continue this process, but you're going to take a section on the other side, the same size as the section we did on this side. Then you're just going to keep sectioning off your hair and highlighting. After that first highlighted section, you want to take one section of hair down and then another section of hair down. So you actually have sections where you're skipping the highlights. So you only highlight every other section of hair, if that makes sense. I ended up highlighting about 5 sections of hair on each side of my head. This whole process was actually very fast. I still had a little over 8 minutes left on my timer from the original 20 minutes. And then I'm setting a timer for 40 minutes, which is the complete time of letting this sit on my hair. That is the longest that you should go, and I decided to do the longest just because my hair is darker. If you happen to get any of the highlighter on your face or anything, it does come with a little towelette that you can use to wipe it off. Here I just wanted to show you the bottle. There was still a ton of product left. Since I have shorter hair, I didn't need as much product. If you do have longer hair, you will have plenty of product to be able to do the highlights that you need. And now it's been 40 minutes, so I am putting on my second pair of gloves. We're gonna head over to the shower to rinse out the lightening cream, but you're also gonna wanna bring your Lightworks Bond Building Cleansing Treatment with you because we're gonna be putting this on after we rinse out our hair and leave it on for 3 minutes before rinsing that out as well. Once you have all the product rinsed out, you can just go ahead and towel dry your hair like I'm doing here and comb it out. I'm putting on my third pair of gloves, and then I'm going to squeeze the contents of the toning glaze into the toning glaze activator applicator bottle and shake it up like we did with the last product. This product you're basically just going to squeeze and completely saturate your hair with, and I'm just kind of using my fingers to run it through my hair. You can also comb it to really make sure that it's getting on every strand of hair. Once your hair is completely saturated with the product, you're going to put on the included cap and let this sit for 20 minutes. And you'll look real cute doing so. Once our 20 minutes is up, you can rinse out your hair thoroughly again in the shower and then use the included color protecting shampoo and conditioner, and then go ahead and style your hair as you would like. This is my hair air dried. I just wanted to show you what it looked like natural. As you can see, my hair is a lot lighter now. You can see the highlights throughout. It just looks like it has a really nice summer highlight to it. I love the way it turned out, but it still looks natural, which is really cool. And then this is my hair the next day. I styled it by adding some waves in, and again, I just love how the highlights turned out. I feel like they really complement my hair and my skin tone. So again, I want to thank Madison Reed for sending me this kit and sponsoring this video. Honestly, I would try this product again in the future because I thought it was just so easy to do. I love that the product is ammonia-free, and I love the results that I got. I just got these really nice light summery balayage highlights throughout my hair. I really like the way it turned out. So if you guys want to check out this kit for yourself, I will have a link in my description below and a code as well so you can get a discount. Be sure to use that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!